Princess and the Pea story for kids. Once upon a time, a young prince wanted to get married. So he went around the world looking for the right princess to marry. Alas, he found none. Something or the other was always amiss in all the princes he made to be a true princess to his people. One stormy night after the prince came back home, he and his family were having their dinner. When there was a commotion outside the costly door, the queen went to see what was going on. Queen asked the guard, "What is the matter, guard?" Guard replied, "There is a young girl at the door, Your Highness. She says she is a princess." Intrigued, the queen went to see the princess. When she got there, she was surprised to see a young girl drenched from head to toe. Queen asked, "Who are you?" She replied, "I am a princess. I was passing through when the storm and lightning spoke the horse and they dragged my carriage into slush and mud. My men are still in the carriage trying to repair it. I have walked many miles to reach here." Nobody who looked at the young girl could believe that she could ever be a princess. She didn't look anything like a princess. With hair disabled and clothes and shoes full of mud, she looked like a poor peasant girl. Queen said to the princess, "You are welcome to stay here, O princess. My maid will prepare a royal room and arrange for a hot bath and dry clothes for you. Do join us for supper once you feel better. Come on in, princess." "Thank you very much, Your Highness." But the time the queen returned to the dining table to join her family, the prince had been informed about the stranger at the door and queen's decision. Princess asked the queen, "Mother, do you really believe that she is a princess?" Queen replied, "Her appearance betrays her, but her eyes shine with courage and there is humility and grace in her behavior, just like that of a princess. However, we must wait till tomorrow morning to know whether she is really a princess or not." Saying so, the queen retired from the dinner table and went up to the room that was being prepared for the princess. "Maid, Your Highness, the princess is in the bed. We are preparing the bed for her." Queen, "Very well. Fetch me 20 of the softest mattress that the castle has to offer." "Maid, yes, Your Highness." Once the maid has left, the queen took out a pea from her pocket and placed it right in the middle of the princess' bed. When the maid returned with the mattresses, she ordered them to place them on top of the pea. That night the princess slept on her special bed. But she had a sleepless night. She kept tossing and turning all night long. In the morning, she joined the queen for breakfast. Queen asked the princess, "How are you, my dear?" Princess replied, "I am well. Thank you, Queen." "But you look so tired. Is something wrong? You must tell me." "Princess, forgive me, Your Highness. I do not want to sound like an ungrateful guest, but I haven't slept all night. My bed was really soft, but something kept poking me in the back and I have bruises all over." The queen smiled happily because she knew that the girl in front of her was a true princess. Queen, only a real princess who has lived all her life in comfort, can feel a small pea kept 20 mattresses below her, and only a kind princess will not mention her discomfort unless asked to do so. Son, she is the one you have been looking for." Soon the prince was married to the princess of his dreams, and they happily lived in the kingdom where all the loved and respected them both a lot. Moral of the story: if someone is a good person, People will be able to see that in him, and if he is not, people will be able to see that also.